Hello, first graders. Happy Wednesday. You guys are almost done with first grade. Today is the very last day that we are going to do. We're going to fold this and fold this to make our problem solving boxes. Today we're going to do problem solving one more time. So you know how I roll. I always just make my own sheet. If you want to print your sheet, that's completely fine, but I'm going to make my own. So let me go make this and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. We've got our paper all ready to go. Like I said, if you want to make your own, go ahead and pause the video here so you can copy these words down on your fold it. If you printed it, then you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you the problem. There it is. So here's the problems this week. They made it a little bit different. We're going to do this one together, A, and then I'm going to let y'all do B, C, or D on your own. I want you to choose two to do by yourself, okay? So let's read this one real carefully. Gloria is decorating party hats. Yay, Gloria. I love a good party. She has 7 hats in total. 3 of the hats are blue. How many hats are not blue? Write 2 subtraction facts to match the problem. Okay, so I know that you guys have been working on fact families and with Miss Rozeski on Monday and Tuesday. This problem with Gloria and her party hats, very much a fact family issue. So she had 7 party hats. Let's think about that. 3 of them were blue. How many were not blue? So let me get my objects and then we're going to get going on this. Okay, so for my objects today, I'm going to use jelly beans. I'm going to pretend the jelly beans are the party hats, okay? So they said that Gloria had 7 party hats. So I think I've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, does everybody agree that I mean, they're not party hats, but we'll pretend the jelly beans are party hats, okay? So I've got 7 party hats. 3 of them were blue. So here, I've got, ooh, I don't like it when it does that thing. 3 of them were blue. These are not actually blue, they're purple, but I didn't have any blue jelly beans, so let's pretend they're blue. How many of the jelly beans are not blue? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So the answer would be 4. Now let's draw a picture. Now listen, when I had my class meeting last week, we talked a lot about how I'm not good at drawing, and I know I'm not. So my class gave me an idea. They said over the summer I should watch some YouTube videos on how to draw things. So I'm going to work on it over the summer. I also might call my friend Miss Helton, see if she can give me some art lessons. I know it's a weakness, so bear with me drawing these party hats. Let me see if I can. I'm just going to draw triangles because sometimes triangles look like a party hat, you know, like that, like that. Is that? I mean, I'm not the best, guys. I'm just not the best. I'm trying though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 party hats, okay? 3 of the party hats were blue. Again, I'm using a purple. See, it even says purple on it. I don't know where my blue one is, so we're gonna have to pretend this one's blue. Okay, so 3 are blue. If you have a blue crayon or a blue marker, you could do better than me. So 3 are blue. How many are not blue? It's these that are not blue, right? So it's 1, 2, 4. One more time. Let's do the words now. So we have 7 party hats, 3 are blue. How many are not blue? 7 party hats, 3 are blue. How many are not blue? There we go. Okay, now the equation, the number sentence. We have 7 party hats. 3 of them are blue. How many are not blue? So we've got 7 minus 3 equals 4. And then remember they said we need to do the other, we need to do 2 equations. The other equation we could do, subtraction, would be 7 minus 4 equals 3. So there we have it. There we have it, kiddos. So what I want you to do now is let's go back to this one. So this is the one, this one right here. We have already done this one. So I'm going to cross it off. So I want you to do this B, C, or D. Choose 2 of those and do those on your own. Think about your fact families and all the other things that you learned. And I will see you tomorrow for another math lesson. And good luck. And I'm proud of your work. And I miss you. And I love you. And so does Snake. Bye, everybody. Love you.